Good morning, guys. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It is now Thursday, the 31st of December. It's 10:43 a.m. We're going to try to capture a couple of trades for you. One of the trades we're watching right now is NTR. It kind of got extended here. We're looking for a short entry here on the extension. So we're looking for NTR as a short play. May not give us an entry. So NTR is on the radar. We're also looking at BABA as another short. Let's put BABA up there. BABA we can post right here at 40. BABA's a short right here. I would say 234.40 on BABA. I'm going to post that in the room quickly. Some other trades that were posted today. BABA is a short 234.40. So BABA's posted 234.40 as your short play. BABA's looking real good as your short. We'll watch NTR next. I'll put that on a different screen for an entry. But BABA right now short. We'll watch BABA play out. We're in this trade short. It's been under pressure today. Sold off in the morning. Rallied here, failed. And every pivot, every bar that went green was met with a red one pretty much. So we're going to stay short. BABA 234.40 is the short. It's in play. We're also looking at NTR for an entry. We don't have one yet. We will watch it closely. Tesla was good this morning, and then it sold off. This was a break I looked at 7:02. It just didn't pull the trigger. But Tesla's very strong today. It's up 11. We will try to keep BABA on this screen to the right. We're underwater with BABA. And we are going to watch a few other stocks. WDC very strong today. Can't get an entry into this stock. Would have loved to have gotten in. Once this breakout was missed, that was it. It never came in. It's riding its 9 straight up, looking real good. We got BABA as a short. NTR we're watching on another screen for an entry. Don't have no entry on it yet. So we're just going to keep BABA up right now. See if BABA can work for us. We need a break of 40 to be where we entered. 234.40 is the entry. I am currently short BABA. Looking for a quick scalp. We're in this trade a couple of minutes already. And it pivoted up, and now we're looking for hopefully a reversal to come back down and pay us. That's it, BABA. Come on in, BABA. Little underwater on BABA. NTR could get short. I would like to see more volume. This may be the end of NTR. I didn't get short. It was an idea. I could have got short here. I didn't. I'm watching BABA, which is underwater by about 35 cents. I'm constantly scanning as I talk to you on other time frames. TDF is a little climactic on a 5-minute chart. There's the 5-minute chart that I was talking to you about. I would have liked to see volume here. If I had some kind of volume here, I would short this. But there's not enough of volume for me to get involved. But I'm looking at this on another screen. I will put it on the list, TRF. Currently one open position right now. It's a short position on BABA. 234.40 is the number. It was posted in the room. It's coming back now. If you go to the room, it's on Trade the Moment on Discord. You go to Discord, it's on Trade the Moment. BABA less than 234.40 is a short, so it was posted. It's basing right about where we shorted it. It went up a couple of pivots and was rejected. I hope this trade plays out. I will continue watching it and we'll see what happens. BABA still ahead about where we paid. It's about 27 cents away. It is not broken down. We would have liked it to break down. It hasn't. WDC is pulling in a little bit. Tesla's still strong. What a mistake not getting into this stock before. Even a small size would have been nice. So you got BABA up right now. Some of these trades take some time to play out. BABA's running against us a little bit. It's now 50 cents, 60 cents, against us 50 cents. BABA's got a range here, making lows, 35.20. It's trying to break the top of that channel. We're looking for a break on the bottom of it. Doesn't look good for us at the moment. But this trade needs a little time to probably play out. We were hoping that we would break this pivot down here and get paid. Instead, it bounced off this pivot. There were plenty of buyers on the bottom. So we'll see if we can visit it, and hopefully we won't get stopped out of this one. But this one is not working yet. We are currently 80 cents underwater from the entry of 234.40. We'll continue to watch it. NTR looks extremely strong. Pulled in, about ready to go again. Stock had a nice move. Gapped down a little bit on the open. Was rallied, base. Made a high, pulled in, looking to break out of here. Not a bad play, 46.05. Use 47.88 as a stop. 46.05 by 88 as a stop gives you 17 cent stop. Not bad. You got a lot of volume, which I like. So I'm going to call this play as well. And it'll be a break of 46.05. I will post that in the room. That's NTR 46.05 stop, 45.88 we'll call it, and we'll make this a long. That's posted in the room. You can find that on Discord. I trade the moment. That's about to break. Still watching BABA on the right. And now we're watching NTR on the left. We can get a break of NTR of 48.05. Just want to check if I posted that. That was the wrong post. I apologize. It's stop of 47. Long of 48. So I'm sorry guys. It's 48.05. A break of 48.05 on NTR. And stop it out at 47.88. That's a 17-cent risk. And it is now actionable, that stock. That stock is now actionable. I am now long 48.075. So we have two plays that are currently working, that are currently in play. 48.05, I got in at 07 on NTR, and BABA is not working. It is about 55 cents against us right now. But we'll watch NTR. We'll try to get a little acceleration, try to get another rally like this. It was a base breakout here, and it rallied 50-60 cents. We got another base breakout here. Hopefully we can get even 40-45 cents out of that. Still watching BABA, which is a decent trade for us. We're currently 50 cents on the water. So we're going to stay on these two right now. We're not going to do much scanning because we have two trades and they're both in play. And they need to be managed. So we're going to slow down on the scanning. We scan throughout the day. We scan for stocks making highs. We scan for stocks gapping up. We scan for pullbacks, 3-4 bar pullbacks. We scan for climactic trades. You'll see me talk about climactic trades a lot. NTR is working a little bit. BABA is not working. We'll need a break below 234.40 to be even on this trade. There goes NTR, 18 now, looking real good. Wish BABA would do what it needed to do, but with this trade, we'll take this trade. If it gets to like 35.40, we could take this trade out. Hopefully it don't go to pay for BABA. Hopefully BABA starts to cooperate. Right now it's not been cooperative, but it's still below VWAP, so it's not dangerous yet. But it's getting there if you look at it, you know, but that's BABA. That's how BABA trades. NTR starting to rally a little bit. We're up to 16, 18 on the X. 17 was the last. We'll give that some time to work. Hopefully BABA will start to work. I'll keep looking and scanning. Just not going to scan aggressively because of the two plays that are in play. BABA, maybe now we'll start to pivot down. We'll keep an eye on BABA. And we'll keep an eye on NTR. NTR is working. If it moves up a little more, NTR, we could put a stop where we paid, where we got in, where we entered. I entered at 07. I think I called it at 6. I got filled at 07.5 actually. So if we can move up a little more, we can put a stop in place and we can have a free trade. BABA's now pivoted lower now. It's about 44 cents away from where we entered. CLVR is really under pressure. I don't know why I'm having trouble with this CLVR today. Okay, sold off sharply. You got some nice volume here. Let's see if we can get some follow through. This is not a bad short. Not a bad short. Pivoted up to 977 and was rejected quickly with volume. So this is not a bad short right here at 35, and you can use 75. I'm not taking this. I have 2 trades working right now. I'm staying with them. This is not a bad short, but 35 by 80 is not a bad trade for a quick scalp. We will visit that in a little while. BABA still to the right, as you can see. NTR is the same as it was when we left it, right down here, 16. Now it's 14 by 18. So we'll give that a little time. We'll watch CLVR and BABA. So we have 2 trades on and 1 possible trade that we're looking at. We'll switch over to BABA. We'll leave NTR down here to watch down here, 14 by 18. It may need some time. We are trying to get out of BABA with some profits. It's taking time, but if we get paid, it's all well and good. BABA's pivoting lower in the last 2 bars. It's only about 47 cents on the water right now. We'll continue to watch it. I'm going to watch BABA. I may close BABA out at a small loss and re-enter it. It seems to have found a whole bunch of buyers on the bottom here for some strange reason. I'm going to give it another few minutes and see if we can pivot down. If not, I'm going to take a small loss on BABA and revisit it if it can break that 234.40. I don't like the way it's trading right now. It's not giving us anything to get in and out of. So let's watch it carefully here and see if we can break this channel here and get back down to where we entered, and then we can have a good valid chance of making some money. This trade has not worked since the second I put it on. It's not a bad trade, but it's just not working the way I would like it. And CLVR is working very well. We did not enter. I said that was a very good short right there. 35 by 75, 80. 80 would have been fine. So this is working real well. So here was an opportunity missed while we were playing BABA. So while I had BABA on, who seemed to have found bottom the second I bought it. But I still think it'll break down. I still think it'll pass the 234.40 where we entered. NTR is a live trade, 48.15 by 17. That's okay. The entry was 48.07.5 for me. 0.6 is when I called it. I'm still concerned about BABA. It's a channel. Don't want this thing to break out. But with BABA, if you're wrong, it could be quite costly. And so far, I have not been right. I'm not really wrong yet. But I did find support on my entry. But I still think it'll break down. It's extremely weak. It rallied here and sold off. I don't see this stock going up. I think we will get paid eventually. I don't know how much longer I'm going to wait, but I don't like trading volatile, high beta stocks like BABA and NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, so on and so forth for long periods of time unless they're working. If they're working, I don't mind leaving them. I get paid to wait. But when they're against you, you have to be very careful because one bar turns into 2 bars, 3 bars, and before you know it, your day is ruined. We don't want ruined days. This is coming in now. This is starting to work. NTR down here is working very well. CLVR, if anyone took it, congrats. It's working. It's at 9.15 by 9.17. You can move your stop. That was at 9. I think you entered at 35. We spoke about it with a stop at close to 80. I would move your stop now probably to about 40 is a good number. You can move your stop to 40. Cost you a nickel if the trade don't go, and if the trade goes, good for you. But if you're in, congrats. If not, no worries. There's lots of other stuff. BABA is important to us now. BABA's printing at 55, 57. So we have a shot on BABA right now. $66, $61. Very temperamental BABA. But all we need is one bar. One bar and we'll be green. That's what we're trying to accomplish today. NTR is at 19 by 21. You can keep NTR on the bottom here. I could put up another screen for NTR if needed. I'll bring another screen over here for NTR. It's up to 21. We'll long this stock at 4807. I'm sorry guys. It's posted in the room on Discord. Trade the Moment. Go to the website, tradethemoment.com. You'll find the link to Discord there. So we'll keep an eye on this. But BABA's the important one now. It had us underwater for about, well, call it about 85 cents. It's now about 12 cents underwater. So I think we're going to keep an eye on that. NTR, put a nice big fat red bar in once I put it on the screen. So we're going to keep that here and watch that trade. 48.07 is the entry. I'm trying to break out, make a new high, maybe trim some at 48.40. Right now, BABA's the only thing that we're looking at that's significant. BABA's about to hit that 40. Let's hope it don't get the support that it's gotten throughout the whole morning. It really needs to break this. You can see it now at 234.60. Trying to pivot off the bottom here. I really want to watch the tape on BABA. I think the tape on BABA is more important than watching NTR, which is now underwater. So we got BABA pivoting off the bottom again. That's not what we wanted to see. We wanted to see a break below 40. Maybe if it pivots down. If not, I'm going to exit this trade here, guys. I'm not going to stay in this trade. I'll revisit it if I get the opportunity to short it again at 234.40. I will take this trade out because it's not working. It's given me many of opportunities to close it at a slight loss. I'd be foolish not to take it. So we'll try now on this pivot down. We'll watch it now, pivot lower, and there it springs back up again. BABA don't want to break. Just keeps bouncing and bouncing. It'll break, hopefully, but I don't know how much more patience I'm going to have with it. I don't like when trades don't go. And this trade was put in at 10:45. It is now 11:09. It's 24 minutes for the high beta name. So let's check this pivot out on the one. If it don't get rejected, I'm gonna get out of this trade, guys. I'll take a slight loss. Okay, so it's pivoting down. Here it is. It's red. This bar has to go. I know it's really temperamental to trade BABA with a 1, but after 24 minutes, if it being against you for the whole 24 minutes, I kind of had enough of it. So here we go, 65, 64. I'm watching the bid and X right here, 62, 70. So it's all over the place. It's kind of spready. So hopefully we can pivot down. There's BABA pivoting lower now, 63 by 68. Here comes BABA now. Hopefully this will be the last time we get rejected. Hopefully it'll break through the 234.40. If not, I'm going to exit. I am not going to stay in BABA too much longer. Starting to work now, 57, 53, 51 on the print, so BABA's finally starting to work. NTR is right where we paid for it again, so it's turning out to be somewhat of a dreadful morning. CLR is working well if anyone took it. I didn't. I don't think most did. It's down to 910, just made a low of 903. Looking real good. If you had to stop at 980 when we spoke about it, we moved the stop to 940. You can move that stop now to 935. Your entry 935 right there would be fine. So this is a free trade if you got in it. If you didn't get in it, that's okay. Let's see if BABA can break under that 40 where we had it right here. 234.40. If it can break it, we'll have a winner. We'd have gotten paid. To wait. This trade is on since 10:55. It is now 11:13. No, 10:45. I'm sorry, 10:45. So this trade is now 28 minutes into it, and all it did was pivot off of our entry. I would have had the entry just a little lower, we never would have gotten in This trade and never been underwater as much as 85 cents. But it's trying at 45, 47. It's got to break now, 40, pivot lower. So we have a good, this is our best shot since we got into the stock to make some money. So I think we're going to get paid right now. So let's just keep a close eye on it. NTR, for those who are long, it's right where we entered. Let's let that play out. BABA's the important trade right now. 28 minutes into this trade. You want to get paid here, or you want to get out of this trade. CLVR is working tremendously well. If I wasn't in BABA, I would have been in this. This would have been an excellent short at 935 where I wanted to short it. The stock is making lows. It's got a ton of volume. This stock should make another low below 888. If you're in this stock, take some profit at 870, at least 2/3 of the position, and then move the stock to $9.10, $9 on the balance. BABA's right where we paid now. BABA's about to pay some dividends, so we're trying to get paid on BABA. Alibaba, come on baby, break this 40. That's it. I'm on down to 40, beautiful. At least we got a print of 40 where we paid. 41, pivoting lower, break this right here. Break this right here and go now. 35, we are now profitable for the first time in a half hour on BABA. Let's see what it turns into. NTR is starting to come back now. 48.15 by 18, real nice. BABA's about to break down. The last 5 minutes has been decent. Let's see if we get some follow through right now. I'm still scanning, but I'm going to keep my eye on BABA. WDC is still going from a call out earlier that we liked. BABA on the 1. How stubborn is this stock today? It just needs to break this 42.40, 234.40, guys. You see where I am? You see where the line is? We need to break that. When we break that, I think we keep going. I think every pivot's been sold off. It's tried all morning. Lower highs throughout the whole morning. Every pivot has been met with sellers. This is no different. These pivots here. This is a good sign that it came down. I know some guys think this is bottom. This is bottom. This is bottom until it breaks through. And once it breaks through that, then we'll get paid. So sit tight. The trade's in play. We're going to let this play out. It's back in the 40s again. We're going to pause the video for a few minutes while this trade plays out. Okay guys, we're back from a slight pause. We got BABA finally working out at 234.09, so we about 34 cents in the money. And we got NTR now at 48.29 by 30. This stock, we entered this stock at 06. We called it out. I got in at 07.5. I'm going to put a stop in here in place at 48.25. I am going to protect the trade. It was a slight winner so far, so I'm going to put a stop in place at 48.25. I'm going to put a sell order. So stop at 48.25. I'll let it run hopefully, but if it comes in a little bit, I know it's not much, I'm allowing it, but I have a little bit of size, and I don't mind taking this trade down with 17, 18 cents profit. BABA's more important. BABA's pivoting down. Now 40 cents green on this trade. Both of these trades, you'll find them in the Discord room right here. 48.05 NTR. I got in a set 48.7.5 on the fill. BABA 234.40 was against us. It's now working. Both trades are green, so we've gotten paid. Let's just see. BABA, we don't have a stop in place because 40 cents is not enough. to put a stop in. I would like to, but here it comes. So let's take half now at 233.40. 233.40. Let's put it in. I'll post it. BABA. BABA. Close. Half. 233.40. That's posted. NTR. Stop at 48.25. I'm going to move that to 48.30 as it's moving up now. 48.30. So both of those trades are posted. I'm going to move my stop to 48.30 and NTR. So that's a winner. BABA's pivoting up. I'm not surprised. Let's see if it can break one more time. Give us $1. And BABA will be 2/3 of the trade, by the way, guys. 2/3 of the trade on BABA. Close half at 233.40. BABA. Close half. Close 3/4. Make it. Make it 3/4. Nothing wrong with getting paid. I like BABA. If I can get $1 out of it, it'll be great. We need 233.40, and that would make a $1 trade on 3/4. We have a stop in place on NTR. That's working very nice. That's at 39. The stop is at 30. So that's working very good. We're going to keep that in play. Let it keep running up. We'll move the stop to 33 cents now. Lock in some more money. So the stop is being moved to 48. Make it 34. 48.34. I'm not posting this. I don't have time. Stop is in place at 34. This trade is paying off very, very nicely. We keep moving the stop up. So that's where we are on them. BABA needs to break this pivot and we will get out of at least 3/4 of this trade with $1. So BABA, I have to keep scanning now because we have a stop in on two of the two trades. So we'll let them work. Here comes BABA, guys. 233.55.40. We're taking 3/4 of this trade out. Watch the tape, guys. 62. Bang, right through us at 40. Congratulations. We're out at 40. Beautiful. Beautiful. So BABA is out. 3/4 of the trade at 234.40. Okay. We're going to go to BABA again. Last quarter. We'll make the last quarter at 230. Let's call it 232.80. 232.80 last quarter. Okay. And NTR, I guess, yes, that stopped out. Yep. Okay, NTR stopped out. Let me get a price. NTR stopped out at 48.32. So let's post it back here. NTR stopped at 48.32. When you have tight stops, that's what happens. Nothing you can do about that. That's not a bad thing, getting stopped out. If it continues to go, that's fine. BABA was a winner. $1 on 3/4. That's another winner. So it's turning out to be a decent second half of the morning. So we got two winners. We're 2 for 2. We still got a quarter of the position going on BABA. We will stop the last quarter out. If we can get, we will sell. We will cover the last quarter at 232.80. That would be a real nice trade if we can get it. Let's keep an eye on BABA. BABA's working down. Working. We need a little more. Very good morning so far, guys. Very good morning. Plenty of winners, plenty of action, very little risk.